A vast green ocean stretches across South America, where life never stands still. Here the air is heavy with moisture, storms rumble across the horizon, and millions of living things compete, survive, and evolve beneath an endless canopy of trees. This is the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth and one of the most powerful ecosystems ever created. Covering more than 2 million square miles, it acts as a living engine that helps regulate the planet's climate, stores enormous amounts of carbon, and supports nearly 10% of all known species on Earth. But the Amazon is not merely a forest. It is a world governed by survival. Every year, billions of trees release vast amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere, creating what scientists call flying rivers. These invisible rivers help generate rainfall across much of South America. During the rainy season, water levels rise dramatically, transforming large areas of forest into flooded worlds where fish swim among tree trunks and wildlife adapts to life above the water. Among these flooded forests lives one of the Amazon's most feared predators, the jaguar. Silent and patient, the jaguar waits motionless beneath the canopy before launching an explosive attack. Unlike most big cats, it possesses a bite powerful enough to pierce directly through the skulls of its prey. It is also a skilled swimmer, often crossing rivers in pursuit of caimans, capybaras, and other animals. Above the forest floor, another predator reigns supreme. The harpy eagle dominates the skies of the Amazon. Equipped with enormous talons and incredible strength, it hunts monkeys and sloths hidden high in the canopy. Moving silently between trees, it strikes with devastating speed, making it one of the most formidable birds of prey on Earth. Not every Amazonian animal relies on speed. The sloth survives through stillness. Covered in algae-filled fur that helps camouflage it among the leaves, it spends most of its life hanging high in the trees. Its slow movements conserve energy and help it avoid detection. Yet once each week, it must descend to the forest floor, a dangerous journey where many sloths meet their end. At dawn, another voice dominates the rainforest. The howler monkey unleashes calls so powerful they can be heard for miles. These thunderous roars help neighboring groups avoid conflict and establish territory throughout the dense forest. Beneath the leaves, an entirely different battle is taking place. The bullet ant delivers one of the most painful stings in the animal kingdom. Though small in size, its sting has become legendary throughout the Amazon. For the Sadere Mawe people, enduring this pain is part of an important coming-of-age ritual that symbolizes courage and endurance. Nearby, leafcutter ants demonstrate another side of Amazonian life. Working together with extraordinary precision, they carry pieces of leaves many times their own weight. These leaves are not food. Instead, they are used to cultivate fungus gardens underground, creating one of nature's most advanced agricultural systems. At the center of this ecosystem flows the mighty Amazon River. Beginning high in the Andes Mountains, it travels thousands of miles before reaching the Atlantic Ocean. Every second, immense volumes of fresh water pour into the sea, making the Amazon the largest river system on Earth. Within its waters swims one of the rainforest's most mysterious inhabitants, the pink river dolphin. Known locally as the boto, this intelligent mammal navigates flooded forests and winding channels with remarkable agility. Unlike ocean dolphins, it often travels alone and is surrounded by countless legends throughout the region. For centuries, many believed the Amazon was an untouched wilderness. Today, modern technology has revealed a different story. Hidden beneath the canopy lie traces of ancient cities, roads, and agricultural systems built by sophisticated civilizations. These societies created fertile soils known as terra preta and transformed parts of the rainforest long before European explorers arrived. In the flooded wetlands, another giant lurks beneath the surface. The green anaconda is among the largest snakes in the world. Using powerful muscles rather than venom, it captures prey through constriction. Nearly invisible in the water, it waits patiently before striking with astonishing force. Not all giants inspire fear. The capybara, the world's largest rodent, has become famous for its calm nature. Often seen sharing space with birds, monkeys, and even caimans, it thrives along rivers and wetlands throughout the Amazon. As the rainy season ends, flashes of brilliant color appear among the leaves. Poison dart frogs advertise their danger, through vibrant shades of blue, yellow, and red. Their toxins, derived from specialized insects in their diet, make them some of the most poisonous animals on Earth. Yet the Amazon is more than its wildlife. More than 30 million people live throughout the Amazon basin. Indigenous communities have spent thousands of years learning the rhythms of the forest, developing knowledge of medicinal plants, sustainable agriculture, and survival in one of the most challenging environments on the planet. Near the heart of the rainforest stands Manaus, a city where modern life meets wilderness. Nearby, the famous Meeting of the Waters reveals one of nature's strangest spectacles, where the dark waters of the Rio Negro and the lighter waters of the Solimoes flow side by side without immediately mixing. Farther downstream lies Alter do Chão, often called the Caribbean of the Amazon. Here, white sand beaches emerge during the dry season, creating a landscape that seems impossible within the world's largest rainforest. But today, the Amazon faces unprecedented challenges. Deforestation, wildfires, and human expansion continue to threaten this ancient ecosystem. Forests that once stretched uninterrupted across the horizon are increasingly fragmented, and yet the Amazon endures. Rain continues to fall, rivers continue to flow, seeds continue to grow into giant trees. Life continues its endless cycle beneath the canopy. The Amazon is more than a rainforest. It is one of Earth's greatest living systems, a world of beauty, danger, mystery, and resilience. And its future may ultimately shape the future of our own.